friends, find 9 again. Oh dang it, my stupid clothes on the floor. Today we are actually going to be building a Lego set. And it's gonna look like this. I'm not a fan of Star Wars, so yeah. Anyways, I already kind of got the bag open, but let's just open the rest. Okay, we got the top off. Now it's just time to get all the Lego inside. Woo! That came out clean. No pieces left. Bro, that's cool. Anyways, this is not only my first time, actually. This is not my first time, playing with Lego, but yeah, so that's that. Alright, now the first one. Gotta find this head. Now let's just connect it to that. Oh yeah, okay. We found it. Now let's just place the head on top. Okay, well, now the pants, which kind of look like... Yeah, totally not that. No, it has to be in here. If it didn't come with it, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, it's this one. Yes, there it is. Okay. It's already 2 minutes in the video, bruh. Okay, so, that is that. Now, let's see, where is that one piece? We're trying to look for this one piece that kind of looks like a hammer. Where is it? I think it's probably in this bag. Okay, man, I almost forgot about this bag. Okay, well, let's just get this out and place it over here. I'm putting all that stuff up there. Alright, now, what actual piece? Oh, yeah, this one. Okay, now one of the stormtrooper heads. I think I found the right one. Yeah, it is the right one. I think they're all the same. Yeah, they're the same. Okay, so, so we're supposed to attach the tiny part to this. Oh, freak. This is gonna take a bit of a while. Alright, there. Alright, now let's just, put it on the head. We kind of got a stormtrooper, but now we need to just put a gun. Find a gun. Alright. So, now, oh my goodness! Literally, one of the pieces literally fell. Don't you dare roll away. Alright. It kind of looks like a minigun. So we need to find the one. I think it's probably in this bag. Oh yeah, it might be. Well, it's time to open this bag. Alright, now let's just get rid of that. And now that's that over here. So, now all those pieces go over there. Real quick, we need to find that one gun. No, it wasn't that one. It looked a whole lot different. It was like, oh, this might be it. Yeah, it's might be. I'm just gonna find the guns that were similar to the actual photo. That's not it. Oh, this kind of looks exactly. Oh, I accidentally put it like that. But I guess we're just gonna stick with this little one though.
What y'all doing?
Pew pew pew.
He's making a video about something.
Hey.
Hey, stop.
Okay.
Okay, now we're just supposed to put his hand up like this and make him hold the gun. So let's just do that. It's gonna take a bit of time. I wonder why guns appear in Lego sets
Movies,
like
it was not
this.
even paying attention to what America just did.
Hey! Bruh, stop! Yeah, this might be it. Alright, let's just now, put that guy over there. Already at literally 6 minutes. Get out, yeah. Alright, now probably we're going to need to, alright, let's flip to the next page. Alright, now, since we're gonna have to find another one. It seems like his hands are gonna be like this. And next, we are just going to attach the legs. We found the exact same legs. Instant. Stop, Savannah. Okay, now. Alright, now let's see. We finally have the Stormtrooper head. Oh, okay. So we finally got Stormtrooper head. This is what it looks like. Did I just lick it? Oh my goodness.
Here.
Wait. Wait. What? Who's here? Who's here? That's odd. Let's just not worry about that, and let's just get through the rest of this. What is this? Anyways, let's just put the Stormtrooper head on. Okay, so so that's what that. Oh no! I assumed that we missed something. Yeah, we accidentally did not actually put something on. Right, we gotta put that on. Alright, so we have to put another block on top. Alright, so we are just going to put that on there. Okay, hold on just a sec, I need to pause. Okay, so Mom just was giving out free cookies. Just some cookies, and I got one. It's gonna kind of be my snack for now. The thing is, now, oh, jeez. Let's put the head back on. Now we're quickly just going to put back on the Stormtrooper head. Now, it's time to actually put this one thing on. Oh no, it's not this. Okay, not this again! I hate this stupid little thing. Ugh. What I mean is whenever you try to actually you get the other one in, but the other one's still not in, and it's just Gargoyle. Did I just say the name of a game or something? No, I think it was a series. Yeah, it was probably a series. So, not really much copyright.
Hey, Zander.
Oh, hey!
Love you.
Love you too. That was just my mother's grandma and grandpa. Nothing to really worry about. Anyways, the thing is, now that we have to... I don't even need to say anything. So, let's just, Now, it's also going to be holding a gun. Just like I expected. So, I guess this that, and that is going to be on this. Oh, dang it. No, I think this was probably supposed to go on backwards. No, it doesn't go on. This is so stupid. That's what she said. So, let's just, it's still not going on, and I freaking hate this set. Okay, we finally got it on, it looks exactly like in the picture. And let's just put it in his hand. Wow, already 11 minutes. Alright, we just now put that over there. Wait. 2 times. Wait, really? Wait, there are actually 2 of the exact same. Oh, so we have to actually do them both 2 times in a row. Man, seriously, bro? That was embarrassing for a bit of spit to get on me a bit earlier. Now we need to do the exact same freaking thing. Oh, goodness. So that's why there was actually 2 with the exact same. Ah, goodness. Why do I always have to do things 2 times in a row? Man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Goodness. Okay, so, that's gonna be all it for today. Guys, I'm gonna have to see you in the second part. Bye! Peace out!